America until like 18 months ago was a white field for us. We are a Swedish-based company, but during the latest 18 months we have expanded a lot in Latin America. Specifically here in Brazil, we have TyN as customers, and we are soon going to announce another operator here in Brazil.
What the company expects?
Well, what we do is carrier class Wi-Fi. We do the system behind the Wi-Fi network to make it really carrier class with all functionalities for hotspot functionality like sign up on a portal or payment with credit card, SMS flows. But we have also added something we call a SIM authentication server. And that makes the offloading from the 3G network to Wi-Fi totally seamless for the user. They are automatically authenticated with the same mechanisms used in the 3G network. We are very hopeful for Latin America as a whole because we have established ourselves, I would say, as one of the absolute leaders in the offloading space. And as you know, there are a lot of need of that for 3G networks all over Latin America. So, except for what's happening here in Brazil, we have things going on in Argentina, in Colombia, and Venezuela, and other places here. Chile.
What do you think about it? It's standard, where the company has been putting the operators.
Yeah, well, standard-wise, it's called SIM authentication. It's eApp-SIM AKA, to be specific. And this is where you secure the Wi-Fi network just as much as you secure the 3G, 4G network. You have in the Wi-Fi network, which is not our business, we work with partners like Ericsson, Ruckus, Cisco, and sorry for not mentioning all we work with. They do what you call 802.1x networks, Wi-Fi networks, which encrypts the data traffic in that Wi-Fi network, making it totally secure. What we do is to handling, you could say we are the brains of the Wi-Fi network, if you like. We're handling the user experience, what kind of quality of service they should have in the network, and we do this SIM authentication, where we use the SIM card as a token to authenticate the user into the Wi-Fi network. So it's totally seamless to wander from the 3G network into the Wi-Fi network.
And this is better for offering a better service for the people.
It's a better service for the people. It's totally, I can tell you another example. We have another international operator in Europe that deployed our SIM authentication server at an airport. And overnight, the load in the 3G network were reduced by 50%. And why is that? That is because it was totally seamless. Users didn't even know that they were moving over to the Wi-Fi network because they didn't have to do anything.
And 50% is a great number, right?
It is a great number. It is a great number. And you can achieve those numbers in certain locations. I mean, we have in the US a big operator I unfortunately cannot name, but we are building stadium deployments with them and another partner. And I mean, it's a need there. It's 90,000 people are going to update their Facebook with the latest goal. Then the macro network just don't work. Then you need to have small cells, and that is what Wi-Fi can provide.